Put this on repeat.
YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy VIP taking a back with another video. So let's have a quick sit down talk. I want to talk about my journey so far for these 4 months of the year that I've had. So we're in the month of April right now, and it's the 4th month of the year, the 2nd quarter of the year. It's been going quite okay. I can't complain that much because I've had one losing month, one red month, and one break-even month, and 2 profitable months, which is a good thing. And it comes to show that you don't need to be profitable all the time, and you won't be profitable all the time. The markets will somehow find a way to take something from you day and day, time and time. So you just need to be consistent and make sure that once you're having a lose month, you don't lose everything that you've earned, bro. You don't blow the accounts. You keep the accounts alive so that you can trade again in the next coming month, because you might have a bad month. Like January for me was a bad month. I was down around 5% on my funded accounts, and it was bad, bro. I thought I was going to lose my 15k challenge account, which has a maximum drawdown of 6%. So I thought I was going to lose that account. Then I recovered it in the next month, the month of February. Recovered it, went into profit on my 5k funded account. So the 15k is a challenge account and the 5k is a funded account. So went into profit on my 5k funded account, made withdrawals. Man, it was a nice feeling to come out of drawdown, make withdrawals, and keep grinding, bro, without blowing the accounts. And I've had that account for quite a while right now. I bought the challenge last year. It was a 2-step Stellar Light challenge account from Fundednext. I've had the account for a long time right now. For October, let's count from October, November, December, plus 4 months. That's like 7 months. I've had the account for 7 months, and I haven't blown it. And I was still trying to scale up. Once I scale up, everything's going to go good. So what I'm trying to say is, you might have some unprofitable months there and there, but just make sure you don't blow the account, keep the account alive. And the 15k account, I've had it since I bought it last year to around November, end of November, after I had made some withdrawals from my 5k account. So I bought the account, 1-step challenge account. Mind you, it's a 1-step challenge account. I just need to make 10%, then I'm funded. But I still haven't passed it, which comes to show that you don't need to rush anything. I don't need to rush anything. I need to take it slow, because once I bought the account, end of November, went into December, traded for half of the month, then made some little bit of profits there. Then once January came in, took everything and put me in drawdown. Then I had to recover everything in February. Then March, break even. April, now in profits, up 5%. I'm up 5% on the account, which is crazy, and I just need another 5% to pass the account, then I'm funded. Once I get funded with that account, I'll be now funded with 2 accounts, a 5k and a 15k, which makes 20k, and the 1% of that will be around $200, which is small. But once I get a 2% payout from both of those accounts, or even before that, I'm going to get a 50k or a 100k account, which I'm going to document on YouTube again, like this 15k account which I'm documenting right now. So yeah, just look into the journey, bro, because it's going to be crazy. It's going to be fun. I'm going to be going step by step, showing you everything I got through in trading. And I just made a withdrawal from my 5k account, which brings me back to break even. Then I need to make some profits again, make a withdrawal again, and it keeps going. You withdraw, you start again, you withdraw. So that's one thing about pro firms. they know that they have to make you withdraw, because once the payout deadline comes, they will take the money out of your account and put it into out of your MT5 MetaTrader account and put it in the, what do you call it, payout something at the payout zone, I can say, so that you go back to break even. And once you back at break even, there's a high chance that you may start going back down into drawdown. So it's a way of, I don't know, man, I don't know. But anyways, we made the withdrawal. We are happy. It's my 5th withdrawal from that account, which is crazy. 5 withdrawals from the same account. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. I need to, because no one will be. So I'm so proud of myself that I've had the account for 7 months. Bro, that's almost a year. Few more months and I'll be saying I've had the account for a year. So I bought it around September. So April, May, June, July, August, September, like 5 months. I know I can do it. I'll say I've had the account for like a year, and I would be funded with 2 more accounts or another big account like a 100k or a 200k account. So the 100k that I'm going to get, I'll be looking at Funded Trader. I've been reviewing Funded Trader, seeing some other traders that trade prop firms, what they are saying about the prop firm, and some good stuff. Obvious, I might later on come across someone saying Funded Trader didn't give me a payout and stuff. I don't know, man. But right now everything is looking okay. Welcome to episode 2 of my 15k challenge account, and we're currently up. I need to do this real quick and show you the charts. Today I won't be screen recording anything because I just need this to be quick and show you the trade that I took on Friday that made me I think 4% profits, so that I could be up 5% on my 15k challenge account. And this is the trade. Okay, so this is the trade that I took on Friday, the 17th of April. I took 2 trades on Friday, the 17th of April. One was a losing trade, both were buying trades. One was a losing trade just because I had my stop loss right below this low, and the market decided to just come take me out. Then after I had seen that I was taken out of this trade, I re-entered once I started to see some bullish market stepping in around this one, for the market to give me a 1:4 point something, 4.7. Yeah, so this was a very good trade which pushed my account from around 1% up to 5%. So the account is currently around 5% in profit. And today we took another trade. This was on Friday last week, and let me just show you today's trades. And today we took another trade here on NZD/USD again. So the idea for this trade was, the market was currently selling since we broke this loss, broke the high, broke the lows again with a gap, filled the gap. And once I seen that the market was now trending to the downside, I just wanted to continue with the trend. So I took my entry around this area, stop above the high, and take profit was supposed to be at these lows right here. So with that ideology, the market just didn't go at once. It first made a push to the upside, maybe filling these favorable gaps and using this order block to then push the market down. So after taking this loss, I took another trade on EUR/USD, because I still believed that the market was going to move to the bearish side, even though only NZD/USD I just like to trade it because it usually has volume. Like when it's moving, it moves. So I just want the market that will move. But my favorite pairs are GBP USD and Euro USD, but mostly Euro USD, which is the pair that I took this trade on. So on Euro USD, same ideology. We're taking out these lows, filled this gap, wanted to just continue down, taking out these lows. So once London session came, we're around this zone down here. So I needed a retracement into this favored gap, fill this favored gap to then push down. Once the market retraced here, I didn't enter because I was a bit skeptical about the entry. I just needed the market to push a bit higher, maybe give me a candle closure above these candles, above this bullish candle, so that I can confirm the pullback. Once we got this pullback, I was still in the NZD USD trade, so I wasn't going to take another trade. So after I had hit my stop loss on the NZD USD trade, that's when I took another entry on Euro USD right about here, targeting these lows. But then I had to close my trades prematurely. The reason why I did that is because I'd already taken a loss, and once we were retracing around this area, once the market started to retrace back, I was up just about 1% on both of my accounts. So I just closed so that it was a break-even day. So today was a break-even day, which is fine. Maybe tomorrow we'll get some setups, and tomorrow I might be looking to sell if we do. Maybe the market plays around, this zone, I don't know, something like this or anything, but I'll be looking for sales if the market wants to give sales. So this was my trade for Euro USD, which I closed around here, and on Friday we took a trade on NZD USD. This was a beautiful trade for 1:1, almost 1:5. Then this was a loss. So I've had this loss and the win same day, this loss today, and the win on the same day. So let's just go into my Fundednext dashboard real quick, and we see how the accounts are looking. What? It hasn't updated. Okay, it did update. Okay, so I do have these two accounts. So this account is up almost 5.7%, which is a challenge account. I got this account a long time ago. I got this account last year. It's a one-step account, and I got it last year, and I still haven't passed it because I was once in a huge drawdown, almost blew the account. But now we are up 5%. Need another 5%, then we are funded. And then for the 5k account, I just made a withdrawal recently. So like a few days back, I made a withdrawal around pure date is turned on. Yeah, it started on the 21st of April, and I made the withdrawal around the 18th of April, and the next pure date is on the 5th of May. So this account is currently at break even because I just made a withdrawal, and this is the small account which I'm funded with. So yeah, that's just about it. But this video is about the 15k account, which is my main focus at this point, because I just need to pass this. Maybe 4 more trades I might pass this account. 2 losing trades and 2 winning trades, or even say if I just get the first trades as winning trades, I'll pass this account. So this account, let me show you where it was in drawdown. I always show this because it is crazy, bro. Look, it went like down. We were down around 5%, and the maximum drawdown is like 6%. Almost lost the account. Now we are back up 5%, which is crazy. We've very much grown the account from 4,000 from just below 14,200 to being up 15,800, which is crazy. And I like that I am doing this, and I've managed to trade this account since November 26th till November 28th, actually, till today, and I still have the account. And for the 5K account, I've had it for very long. I won't even lie, I've had it for very long, since I bought the challenge account end of September, I think. So yeah, this is what we're looking at right now. Tomorrow we might get some trades. This should have been a good trade. I would have been up. It was a 1:3.5, so I would have been up 2.5 on the funded account, then 7 or 8% on the challenge account. But even though we closed earlier, we're still okay.
Okay, bye.